Ever clicked on a YouTube video purely because the thumbnail grabbed your attention? That's no accident. A good thumbnail isn't just a preview into a video, it's an invitation to your content. What stands between scrolled past or being seen is the thumbnail, and a catchy thumbnail means more clicks, and more clicks gets the YouTube algorithm to start favoring your videos. That's how your content gets the attention it needs. But hold on, with over 3.7 new videos uploaded daily, how can you ensure your thumbnails stand out? Well, my friends, the secret sauce is the science and the art of click-worthy thumbnails, and you're in luck because I'm about to unravel the blueprint for creating thumbnails that don't just attract eyeballs, they hold gazes. Here's what you need to know. YouTube plays matchmaker between videos and viewers based on niches and interests. If your video gets clicked and watched, the algorithm marks it as worthy and starts suggesting it to similar audiences. The combo of your video's thumbnail and title is your frontrunner for the CTR, and you want those numbers soaring above 8% minimum. We'll chat titles another day, but to start out today, we're clapping with the thumbnail here. This isn't about slapping on a random picture, it's about strategic branding. It's about creating a visual hook that's unmistakably you. Think Mr. Beast or KSI. One glance and you know it's them. The fonts, the expressions, the positioning, it's all about that instant brand recognition. Now, let's dissect branding and thumbnails. It's a mix of consistent fonts, emotionally charged colors, captivating images, a bit of background text, and a background image, without a single need for your viewers to even deliberate who it is. It's powerful tools that turn a casual scroller into a new viewer and potential subscriber. Selecting a specific font can set you apart. It's the suit or the dress for your content. It has to be just right. You want a font that speaks your channel's language and resonates with your audience's emotions. And those emotions, they're color-coded. The right color can evoke excitement, curiosity, or calm. Tailor this to the vibe of your video. With all that being said, I'd like to take a moment and introduce you to today's video sponsor, Vidnose. They're your ultimate AI video maker to generate free AI videos. Some of their main features include an AI talking avatar, AI text-to-speech, AI avatar generator, and my personal favorite, the AI vocal remover. They also offer a face swap, an AI cartoon generator, and background remover. They create free AI videos in 1 minute. They're easy, fast, and 100% free AI video generators. There's no cost to downloads, easy to download. You have to have no prior experience, and they have 100 plus AI avatars, 100 plus AI realistic voices, all for you to choose from. And the best thing is, if you click on the link down below, you can get up to 3 minutes free video creation, and that's by using my link down below. Now, let's talk imagery. If you're fronting your videos, make your face the hero of your thumbnails. Your expressions are a powerful storyteller. They can showcase excitement, surprise, or intrigue. Tailor this to what your video delivers. And for positioning, consistency is king. Find your sweet spot just like Mr. Beast does with his left-aligned portraits. The background, it's your canvas, the silent narrator of your video's tale. It sets the stage and should be simple yet powerful. Powerful enough to give your viewers a glimpse of what you're telling them. Just like a good book cover, it doesn't spoil the plot, it teases the imagination. Let's not forget color themes. You're not just aesthetic, they're just branding alley. No, it's the vibrancy of Mr. Beast thumbnails or the sleek darkness of iDubbbz. Your color theme is your signature. Make it unique. With all this in mind, let's roll up our sleeves and create a thumbnail from scratch. So to walk you through my thumbnail creation process, I often go onto YouTube and search the title of my video to find competitors. Now, I'm not saying plagiarize their thumbnails, but what I often do is I grab 5 or 6, I go to like a vision board on Canva, and I just pile them together. I take elements that I like and I discard elements that I don't like. And once I've identified a few key elements that I think grab my attention nicely, I try and replicate those. So I open up like Premiere Pro. Obviously, if you don't pay for that, Photopea is a great alternative. Then I grab the elements that I like and I compile them into a nice thumbnail. For my branding style, this often consists of a big header. So I'll have a like block, a rectangle, and I'll put some text in it. Then I'll have the front runner on like a podium kind of thing. And I'll have an image of that often on like a background of a white graph or a black graph, as you'll see in this thumbnail. This process is more than just creation. It's about embedding a piece of your brand into every thumbnail you design. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember, your thumbnail is a red carpet to your video's premiere. Make it count. Stick around, hit subscribe, and let's journey together towards making your thumbnails the talk of the YouTube town. Onwards to making your next video thumbnail not just seen, but remembered.